Hello there, saluta mal tiempo report. Lots to talk about today, pero primero hay muchas cosas en español de que hablamos. Sí, hay una nueva depresión tropical por aquí, depresión tropical 6 y la futura tormenta tropical Fernand. Sí, está aquí y hay unos avisos. Hay peligros afectando tierra, lluvias y vientos, y creo que hay un aviso de tormenta tropical para esta zona por aquí. Y según el SMN, no hay un aviso en el momento, pero hay un aviso de tiempo severo. ¿Por qué lluvias? ¿Por qué lluvias? No sé. Y por aquí en el Pacífico Occidental. ¿Pacífico Occidental es la palabra? No sé. Hay depresión tropical, hay ex tormenta tropical, y hay un aviso, sí, y tiene la posibilidad de lluvias fuertes y vientos y peligros de resacas, sí. Y esta es la mapa de lluvias potenciales en los próximos 24 horas, no sé la palabra 24, sí. Y esta zona por aquí tiene una probabilidad de 40% en el momento, pero en los próximos 5 días tiene una probabilidad de 80% y podría ser la futura tormenta tropical Juliette. Sí, en el noroeste pacífico hay una nueva depresión tropical sin nombre, o según el Pagasa, Nando es el nombre, Nando. Y el nombre oficial de JMA estará Yutu. Yutu creo que. Yutu, sí, es la verdad. Pero en el momento creo que no hay ningunos peligros afectando tierra. O algo así. Y esta es Peva estará muerto en los próximos días o algo así. Y esto es todo. Eso es todo para hoy. No sé. Y es la verdad. So, in English, we'll be able to talk fast. This thing just officially became a tropical depression. So this is Tropical Depression 6, and they are predicting tropical storm strength on this one, which would make it Tropical Storm Fernand. And yeah, this thing has had its final advisory issued on that, but of course there's still land hazards that are the rains, the dangerous surf conditions, and the possibility for dangerous gusts of wind. And yeah, and then according, this thing's gonna have, they don't have the, I don't know if they had the, wait, no, it is on the page. I don't know what I'm talking about. Did I say the land hazards on this one? Rainfall and wind. And they do, I believe, have, yeah, tropical storm warning issued for portions of coast of Mexico. I suddenly cannot talk at all. Yep, that's it. And then this area here, which at the moment only has a 40%, it had, what, an 80 in the next few days? 80% on that one, so this could very well be future Tropical Storm Juliette if it were to form and become a tropical storm. This thing, last advisory on that, that's supposed to dissipate soon. And this new one, per the JMA, does not yet have a name, but Pagasa, who has their own name list, is calling this one Nando, I believe. Nando. And this would be the official Northwest Pacific name for this one, if it does reach tropical storm strength, would be Yutu. So yes, that is what is going on at the moment, tropical cyclone-wise. Oh, right. And here's the rain map for Ivo. So Ivo not only dropping heavy stuff, but apparently what I've read is that moisture associated with Ivo is affecting the southwestern United States. So this may well all be about Ivo. And this is the map for the next 24 hours. Yes. In severe thunderstorm weather as it relates solely to the US, got a couple of not severe thunderstorm warnings, flash flood warnings. And how about that? It must be from Ivo. So in that area over there. But in general, today have a 15% chance of severe winds, which would be winds 58 miles per hour greater, and then an area back there. Hail-wise, there's a 1 inch or larger probability for today. That's every day. 1 inch or larger probability. Don't know what I'm talking about. Right. So that's where your highest threat is. And then 2% chance of a tornado. So basically in the areas, well, somewhat where the areas for the highest probability for winds and hail is where the tornado probability is. Tomorrow, it seems to hover about the same area. So that looks duplicate. Doesn't that almost look like the same exact thing? Almost. So that's kind of weird because generally it moves to the east. It does something different. Yes. That was a very informed scientific outlook on that. Right. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. WickedWix is WICKEDWX.com. And Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. Let's go zoom in there. And that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.